Today we're looking at a Koston Air Max 95 SB, a sneaker that absolutely got disrespected. It came out in November and we're going to take a look at this today. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and if you're new to the channel, also welcome to the channel, guys. That's right, guys, I've taken a little while to do this review. I had to take a personal break, but I'm back, and this time I'm looking at sneakers that I actually picked up in November. It is the Air Max 95 SB Koston. This is an absolutely beautiful sneaker. It got absolutely disrespected in my personal opinion. But before we look at the sneaker, before we break this down, because there's a lot to break down in the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. Go show him some love and support, because he always comes to show the channel love and support. And also, guys, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We could talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And last but not least, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep growing, to keep elevating, to keep being awesome, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning. You guys need to keep growing. You guys need to keep being amazing. And now, talking about disrespected and absolutely amazing sneakers, this is the Air Max 95 SB Eric Koston. Okie dokie, guys, as you can see from the B-roll, this is the Air Max 95 SB skateboarding sneaker, the Air Max 95, which is basically designed for skateboarding. And this is the Koston, which is Eric Koston sneaker. This is his heart and soul. He put everything into the sneaker and it got absolutely disrespected. And we're going to break that down, because I believe this should have been the first actual Nike SB or Air Max 95 SB to come out in that range, because this is absolutely gorgeous. And this is my personal opinion only, the one that matters the most in my personal opinion. And if you don't know about Eric Koston, he's a Thai American skateboarder. He's basically loves skateboarding, come through professional skateboarder, and now he's actually come through and designed this sneaker. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is based on the 197 range, which basically came out in 1997 on the ES Koston 1. And this is one of the colorways, the obsidian yellow white, which basically comes onto this Air Max 95 SB. This is gorgeous and this is absolutely beautiful. I do like the white variation. I know there's the brown variation that's released recently, but this to me personally is the best variation out there in terms of the Nike SBs and Nike 95 SBs. But before we look at the sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because hey, presto shebang, and as you can see, it comes in the Nike SB box, and it's the purple Nike SB box. And as you can see, guys, it obviously all the way through purple, affiliated writing at the bottom. It's got basically SB paper, or that wood effect SB paper on this as well, to represent kind of the skateboarding. And obviously, guys, this is what the box label looks like. This is how it should be. This is how it should come, and it always should come like this. And guys, this sneaker is actually still sitting at the skate shops, and the resale platforms are selling it for retail. So if you want this, guys, go to your local skate shops, because you still might find this sneaker in the store, because this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But the box label looks like this, comes like this, and reads like this. As you can see, the box label reads SB Air Max 95 Obsidian Speed Yellow. That's the colorway, guys. It's a size 11 US, UK 10, EU 45. My size, I'm definitely having a on feet. This is definitely going to be in my rotation. This is gorgeous, and the code is HQ8492400. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. That's what it reads, that's what it looks like. And without further ado, guys, let's take a look at this sneaker, because this sneaker is very, very important. It's sneaker time, so hey presto, shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Air Max 95 SB Koston, and this is basically inspired by the 197 Monaco sneakers that released in 1997 or the late 90s, and this is from the speedy yellow, white and navy colorway. The sneaker that was based on is the ES Koston 1, and it actually, like I said, came out in the late 90s, so 1997 under the moniker of the 197. I like, guys, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And first off, you can definitely see that navy that rises onto that grey, which then rises onto that white mesh, and underneath you've got more of that yellow print, and bottom down is beautiful. That yellow material underneath that actual white mesh is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely brilliant. I never knew these trio colorways could go so well. This is fire, this is dope, and I'm gonna tell you why this means the most in a bit, but I'm gonna break down the colorway and the materials first. You've got more of this actual nubuck that runs through this. As you can see, it is a nice soft nubuck, and then it runs up to this suede, and you can see that yellow swoosh. That is just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. That yellow on that navy is just gorgeous. The actual pods on this are more reinforced, and that's one of the actual additional things to this sneaker. This is for skateboarding. This is why it's designed for skateboarding. So all the areas are suede reinforced. So all the areas that can kind of get roughed up and scratched up or wear away are actually reinforced with suede. So you've got more suede on the uppers there. You've got more suede on the actual toe there as well, and a toe grey all the way through, and the pods on this are even more indent and outward than the normal 95 would be. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then you've got that Nike Air at the back, absolutely gorgeous, with that reflective actual material, the grey reflective, and on the tongue you've got the more of that grey reflective like you normally do. The toe's not reflective. This is more of that nubuck, which actually allows you to reinforce when you skate. And obviously, guys, you get more laces with this. White laces on this. I'm going to keep the white laces. You get yellow laces and you get navy laces with this as well. And I'm going to try and open this up as much as possible because the insoles are stuck in. The insoles in this is a Zoom Air unit rather than the normal cushion unit that you get on the actual Nike Air Max 95. So it gives more comfort. The air bubble on this is even more stiffer, which means you got stability when you skate on this. Unlike a normal Air Max 95, the actual cushioning is more for running, so that you got more compact, you got more give in the cushioning for a normal Air Max 95. So when you run in it, it allows you to kind of not have as much impact if you the bounce off that concrete or the bounce off the grass or wherever you're running. It doesn't allow you to transmit that into your feet. But for this, they've actually made the air unit a bit more stiffer, which allows you to skate and to be more stable on the skateboards, and allows you to have that grip and that touch on that skateboard. That's why the air unit is way more firmer, so it gives you that stability when you're skating. But I'm gonna try and open this up. Like I said, I was gonna open this up. As you can see, guys, like the insole on this is crazy. The insole is like, I don't know if you can see that, it's got Koston on it, swoosh on it, yellow and navy on it. It just looks absolutely dope, guys. So beautiful. Another thing that changes on this sneaker as well is the outsole. That traction is softer. What you normally find on a traction on the Air Max 95 is harder. This traction has more grip. This traction is more softer and is more rigid, as you can see from the actual outsole, which gives you a way more grip on the skateboard and if you're skating on this. And another thing is, this is more streamlined, way more streamlined than a normal Air Max 95, because it allows you to not be as bulky on a skateboard and allows you to drift as much as you possibly can. And the traction with the insole, with the actual reinforcement of the suede, with the actual less bulkiness of the Air Max 95, makes it more of a skater shoe, and it gives you more stability, gives you more grip, and gives you more variety when you're actually skating, and traction when you're skating, because you can do those kick flips, you can do everything you want on this actual Air Max 95 SB. This is great. absolutely great. The way they modify this is absolutely gorgeous. You got Koston on the right hand side, as you can see, and obviously you've got the Air Max on the left hand side. You've got more of that navy and that yellow that comes through with that white. Absolutely beautiful. The way they executed this is absolutely gorgeous. If you don't know about Eric Koston is an American Thai professional skateboarder, and he put his heart and soul into this sneaker. And guys, that touch there is just gorgeous. In Thai, that means Nike. That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. More on the sneaker, as you can see on the bubble, you can see the air unit is yellow inside this. More of that navy and yellow comes out on the outsole, and you've got the SB on the outsole as well, where you've got the kind of skeletal scale on that actual 95. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. This sneaker got disrespected, because this at the moment you can find in some skate shops and you can actually get, and this actually on the resale platforms is going for retail. That is ridiculous. As you can see on the tongue as well, you've got more of that navy on the tongue, which is that cotton navy, and you've got nylon on the tongue at the top as well, and it's being reinforced as well inside, so you've got more of that cushioning inside, and it's just streamlined. I'm going to do a comparison with the big bubble, with the actual SB, and with the normal 95s. I have to pull it out because there's so many differences. It looks flat. The actual shape of the toe looks flat. It's been just redesigned for skateboarding, and so many different touches, so many evolutions to this SB makes it much more of a skateboarder sneaker. And even the outsole, like I said, the traction. Let me look. You can see the traction, guys. Look at this. That's rough traction. It's going to give you that grip, and look at it. It's just gorgeous. Navy outsole, navy up to the actual 2-3 layers on this. It's got that furry suede, from that nubuck to more of that suede, and then that furry suede, and more of that grey furry suede to that white meshing. Even the pods on this are really big, and it's like reinforced for when you actually want to skate, and it just is designed for you to skate and wear out. That is gorgeous. This sneaker is absolutely fantastic. In my personal opinion, this should have been a first release. Koston did his thing. Eric went in and blew out the park. This should have been the first SB, Nike Air Max 95 SB. That's what I feel about this sneaker. That's why this is always my favorite out of all three that I've released. We had a white variation that came out earlier on in 2025. You got the brown variation, or chocolate brown variation, which actually released recently, I think like a couple of days ago. This released in November. I've sat on this, obviously had some personal family issues, and I had to kind of walk away from the channel a bit. But coming back to this, every time I pull this sneaker out, it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Not bulky, sleek, just beautiful colorway. Who would have thought navy, white, and yellow would have gone so well on a sneaker? And I still love that yellow swoosh at the back. This is why this sneaker is very important. This is why this sneaker is obviously going to get that super gold. It's just beautiful. I'm going to try and wear this as much as possible. And if this sneaker goes on sale, I'm going to get another pair. I'm definitely going to get another pair. There's no quality issues. I'm looking at this. There's no quality issues. That Nike on the toe in Thai is beautiful. This is Eric Koston's heart and soul in this sneaker, and it's sitting. I can't believe it. I thought this would have flown. This was an easy cop. It's good to have an easy cop, but yeah, that's crazy. Beautiful sneaker. Air Max 95 SB Koston's on deck. Wait for the end for the On Feet. That's what I've got to say about this sneaker. If you haven't got this, go to your skate shops and check this out, because like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective. That's crazy. Give you that booty action back perspective. Give you that lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful outside. Give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing all of that heat. Like I said, slimline, reinforced suede. Even actual materials on this is absolutely reinforced inside to give you that comfortability. Zoom Air unit rather than the normal cushion that you get on the actual Air Max 95. And then that traction. This sneaker for casual wear is going to be absolutely comfortable, guys. Comfortable sneaker. They did their thing. That's all I've got to say, guys. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. Like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you my on feet at the end. I'm going to put some fits together. That sneaker's beautiful. If you didn't get it, I feel sorry for you guys because you missed an absolute banger in my personal opinion. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. But for me, TJ, I love Kid Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And hope you guys cop the sneakers you like because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Kid Customs. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Deaf to all the fakers, I'm just keeping it player. Out for vengeance like Vader, I'ma stay on the radar. Young in spirit, old soul, that's my gift from the maker. Walk the earth and sprinkle nourishment, something you can savor. You'll be thanking me later, humble beast in the cut. I've been thinking too much, let me open the cupboard.